In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Teamviewer. If you're new to Teamviewer or just need a bit of guidance on managing your contacts more effectively, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through each step in detail, ensuring you have a smooth experience, whether you're connecting with colleagues, clients, or friends. Let's get started by launching the Teamviewer application on your computer. This is the first step, and if you don't already have the app, make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version. Once you've opened Teamviewer, you'll notice various options on the main interface. What we're interested in is the Computers and Contacts section. This area displays your list of connected devices and contacts, effectively serving as your hub for managing all your Teamviewer interactions. Go ahead and click on Computers and Contacts. Now, direct your attention to the Add Computer and Contacts icon. If you're wondering what this looks like, picture a person with a little plus sign next to them. By clicking on this icon, you open a set of options meant to enhance your contact management capabilities. As you click the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Add Contact. It might seem straightforward, but this is where you start personalizing your connection by adding the person you intend to interact with through Teamviewer. When you select this option, a new window will pop up called the Add Contact window. Here's where things get specific. In the Add Contact window, you'll need to enter some key information. The most crucial detail is the email address associated with the Teamviewer account of the person you wish to add. Accuracy is important here, as this email connects directly to their account. Additionally, you have the option to add a description, which can be helpful if you need to note the person's role or our relationship with them. You can also select a group for your contact, organizing your contacts into categories that make sense for you. This feature is particularly handy for maintaining a tidy contact list, ensuring you can easily locate and connect with the person in the future. Once you have filled in the necessary information, you're ready to complete the process by clicking the Add button. This final click will add the contact to your Teamviewer list, allowing you to effortlessly connect with them for your next remote session. And there you have it. You now know how to add a contact in Teamviewer, contributing to a more connected and efficient remote working experience. Keep practicing, and soon this process will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.